Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to show you an amazing thing which is a trace path. Right. So trace path, something look like this. With this pencil or with this marker we are tracing this mark, right? We are making one star. So how to do that with the motion study? Let's learn. Okay. So I am creating new study here. Now first you have to go to the model, and in model we have set up like this. Okay, this will be in a linear condition, this will be open to anywhere, this is constrained with the axis. Okay, which is the axis 1. Axis 1 is directly in axis of the this part, pen part. Okay, so we have to constrain axis 1 into the assembly or into the motion study. So let's do the motion study. Before going on to the motion study, I want to show you something, that is the motion analysis. You have to turn this option on just to show how the results are coming, right? If you want to see any graph, any trace path, so you must turn on the motion analysis panel. Okay, so that's it. First method. First we have to lock this pen which is roaming around here and there. I have to lock this pen. Only this rotation motion I have to lock. Linear motion we have to we don't have to constrain, right? So go to the motor, and I will apply the axis, and I will use the distance, and I will make the 0 degree, right? I have total analysis time, let's say I am taking 25 second or 22, it will be enough, and I will click it OK. So as you can see, my simulation time has been constrained to the 5 second, but I will do this up to 22 seconds. Okay, now this is the pointer. Okay, now again the linear motor, I have some graphs for that. I have the actual data. So in the linear motor you select this component, okay, coming around in this direction. So from this I have the data point. So what you can do, you can just go to the displacement, Akima spline, and import data. This import data I will give you in my below link, okay, where you can download this data and do the simulation. And okay, so I am okay with that. Yeah, y-axis we have done data points. Now we have to do the x-axis, which is the pointer. So into the pointer apply the linear motor on this face, and also in this direction you do, otherwise it will be out of this region. Okay, in the constant speed you change to the data points. In the data points you go to the displacement and keep the Akima spline, where you can import the data, which is a move x, and okay. Now okay, this CAD model also I will give you the link of it to download. Okay, so you can perform this simulation as well. Now what I will do, I will solve this, and as you can see my pointer is moving. Okay, great. Okay, now what you have to do to trace whatever it has done, you can go to the result, you can go to the displacement, go to the trace path. Okay, and select this portion, yeah, correct, and click it OK. Now if you play this, see, it is starting. So I think I have to give 20 seconds or 80 seconds for completing this simulation. This extra line is there, so I will keep this to 20%. Okay, let it finish. Let me click it to the 20. Great, 2 times. Play. Acha, I have to calculate again. Wait. Let's see where it stops. Okay, great. So this is how you can do the trace path simulations in the using motion analysis. So that's it for the video. You can create your data points according to your need. Okay, and also you can use the maths equations to give this kind of trace path, sine path, cos path, like that. Okay, so that's it for the video. uh, Keep sharing, keep learning.